Hey, how's it going? Well, today, sunny day, nice day. I think it's about 20 odd degrees here in Barcelona. So it's quite pleasant. My son is playing in the park. And I thought I'd take this opportunity to do it one of my videos. Um, I was thinking about the huge amount of people that come into the online business world. Obviously trying to make a living, trying to make money online, quite simple. And I'm amazed the amount of people that come in, they have the perception, they have the idea that this is going to be easy. All right. Now I don't blame them because they're used to going to online and they see adverts. And what do the adverts say? Sign up here, make $1,000 a day, make $1,000 a week, make $1 million in the next 12 months. We are so bombarded with adverts from people that haven't made a dime, yet the place is adverts trying to make a dime. It is crazy. It is crazy. You have to learn to differentiate or to separate what's good out there and what's plain rubbish. But anyway, I digress here. I wanted to mention about people thinking that this is easy. Now, making a living online is not easy. I made my living online for over 10 years, mainly on e-commerce. That was my main income provider. That was making me a very good income, truth to be said, very good income. Not rich at all, far from it, but it was giving me above average income for sure. Okay. So that wasn't easy. I was putting 16, 17, 18 hours a day to make things happen and to actually build a business. So it wasn't easy. So why is it that people come online and they think this is going to be easy when it isn't? Now the concept is simple. I'm going to tell you the secret, if you want to know the secret, as many people say. The concept is simple. Before you build any business, you have to build an email list. That's it, an email list. Oh, let me correct myself. It's not just building an email list, but providing value to them, right? Not only you collect people's emails, you have to have a purpose. And the purpose really should be mainly is to provide value to them, okay? To give them something that they're gonna be looking forward to open your emails, okay? And how do you do that? You know, every one of us has something of value to offer. So whatever you have to offer, just
¿Qué horas son?
teach people.
¿Qué
¿Qué?
horas son?
¿Perdón?
¿Qué horas son?
¿Qué horas son? Pues no lo sé. Vamos a hacer que mírate. A ver.
12:35.
Las 12.
2:35.
2.
2:35. Because this small kid was asking me the time. Okay, so as I was saying, I kind of lost the plot here. Yeah, people think this is gonna be easy, and it isn't. Look, sorry to break it, it's not easy. The concept is very simple. All you should focus on, whatever business you are in, is to build an email list. This is if you want to build an online business, okay? I'm gonna put the camera here. I'm getting tired of holding it. Okay, so you should be doing is focusing on building a mailing list and providing value to people in your list, okay? I'm sorry I'm repeating myself, but that kid got me off the tangent. Anyway, you see, you know I'm part of the Life Good business. We have a system in place where you can plug in, follow the step-by-step system we've got in place, and you will get results if you do that. However, having said that, you will encounter problems. No matter how easy we make it, you will encounter times where you have to be resourceful. You're gonna have to find answers to questions, and Google is your best friend sometimes, all right? There's gonna be times where things are not gonna go as you expected. There's gonna be times where during 2 weeks nobody answers your adverts. That is okay, you know, it's supposed to happen. You're not supposed to be a recruiting machine, although some are. So, what I would say is the difficulty here is that you have to keep going with what you know works. How do you know someone works? Well, you look at someone's results. Okay, my sponsor, Jeff Ayman, that many people know, obviously he's been getting results for many years, and he's got a system in place that I follow personally, which is getting me results. And if you follow it to the letter, it's gonna get you results. However, if you want to go the extra mile, that extra mile which is gonna take you above average, is gonna be quite simply doing things a little bit different and being a little bit more creative. For example, if you just take all the capture pages that we use in our business, eventually people are gonna see that page over and over and over again and become blind. They don't see it anymore. They have a preconceived idea of what life good is. So you have to come up with a new page. You have to be creative. You have to come up with a new page, a new angle on how you do your adverts. Now you can do that without deviating from the whole system, which I talked to about you guys. I think it was yesterday in one of my videos. But you gotta be creative, and that takes work. In maintaining your list and creating videos like this one takes some work. You know, you have to do it. Personally, I'm not really editing them. Even if I make mistakes, I'm okay with that. But you gotta have to create videos. You're gonna have to create pages that are a little bit different than the rest, and keep providing value over a long period of time. This is not a get rich quick scheme where you're gonna do something now and you're getting paid now. You might be doing something now, tomorrow, even the next 3 months, and you're not getting paid for. That is okay. That is supposed to be like that. That is called a business. You're not supposed to get paid straight away. So many adverts I've seen lately where get started today, make money within the next first hour. You're right. There's a lot of misleading information online, and you gotta be very careful what you follow, because they're gonna be pulling you from all ways. And I will say to you this: whatever business you choose to work on, if it's a network marketing business, an online business, of affiliate marketing, AdSense, whatever you want to do, focus on that one thing at a time. At least focus on one thing and try and be successful at that. Focus on that one. If you start jumping from one thing to another, you will not make it. Think about it. The most successful people in the world, and I'm gonna keep my opinion for myself about certain people, but Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, I've got an opinion about that guy, by the way. I'm not gonna talk about that in this video. I mean, all the most successful people in the world, they focus mainly on one thing at a time. So what makes you think that you can be so successful in 3, 4, 5, 6 different businesses? If these successful people, they hardly manage to do one thing at a time, right? Jeff Bezos, what is he doing? Amazon. I'm sure he's got investments, but they are investments. It doesn't require his time. Amazon, that's his flagship. So whatever you decide to do, if you are or you're not in my team, it doesn't really matter. Decide what you want to do. Decide what makes sense to you. For example, for me, Life Good makes sense because they have products that not only are good, but they are priced incredibly low, which means anybody can afford them, which is it's completely opposite to what other network marketing companies are offering, where they overprice products so they can pay the network. It's crazy. So, the end consumer ends up paying a fortune for products that they can get online on Amazon 10 times cheaper. So anyway, I chose Life Good because not only the compensation plan is good, but it's got a real product that can go to the real customer that doesn't need to participate in the affiliate program. Okay, so those of you that think this is only about recruiting, it isn't. You can get customers, okay, and you get paid for that as well. All right. So let me finish the video to say, don't expect this to be easier. Try to make yourself better. Learn the skills, follow your sponsor, follow the system, and trying to become a little bit better every single day. Because over a period of time, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 10 years, every little bit that you improve every day will make a huge difference to your life. And you know what? 10 years are going to pass anyway. So you decide, you know, if those 10 years are going to be productive or you're going to be still jumping from one thing to another because they promised you it was going to be easier. And once you're in, you realize the green wasn't greener on this side. The green is greener where you water it. All right. Anyway, long video. I'll see you in the next video. Any comments, feel free to let me know. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.